Guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we've got a little value unboxing I wanted to bring into the channel and check it out from River's Edge Cutlery. But before we get started, I want to say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you. And thank you for any of you guys who found your way in to check out my knife and EDC content. I truly appreciate it. If you like what you see, if you want to do me a huge favor, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help me out. So today we're going to get into our River's Edge Cutlery package with our Amazon razor knife. Let's see what we got here. Alright guys, so we got a River's Edge Cutlery sticker, we've got a River's Edge Cutlery card, and we've got a CJRB Hectare. This knife was right under 50 bucks. It has a crossbar lock, which is not one of my favorite things, but it looked pretty cool and I wanted to check it out for the channel. You get a little CJRB cloth in here. Cool looking little, I thought it was going to be about Benchmade size, but I wasn't sure. Bug out size. Let's take a look at this guy. Again, this is an unboxing, not a review. I'll come back, take a closer look at it, and give you all my final thoughts after I've had some time to check it out. So, we have a very neutral blade. Nice jimping on the blade. Nice little choil there. Some of this oil off of it. Alright, so the G10 looks very nice. You've got a skeletonized black liner inset there. Let's check the wacky. So the axis lock or the ball lock works fine. Or not ball lock, the bar lock works fine. The hole flipping works fine. You do have to kind of get your finger in there. They give you some room for it. It's I don't have any problem finding it, and it seems to have some pretty good snap. Let's see how this is again just a unboxing. I'm just curious how it ranks with our bug out. So it's bug out sized. Guys, what we'll notice about this little knife is it's got a tall flat ground blade. I love the hole deployment. It is an AR RPM 9. The G10 seems to be done very well. It's a light little package. Let's see here. Very sharp from the factory. I don't know why this knife got my attention when I was on River's Edge Cutlery. I thought it was going to be a larger knife. I'm glad it's not. It looked like it was going to be more frac sized. You can't tell, you know me, I can't tell spatially looking at anything like that what the overall size is going to be. But you've got nice access to that bar lock. You've got the flicking hole as opposed to thumb studs, which I really like. You can thumb flick it. I just failed it. Reverse finger flick it. Got a good blade. A great price, guys. I mean, this was $47, something like that at River's Edge Cutlery. Very, very inexpensive for what I think you're getting here. Again, the lock seemed very stable. It's a good value steel. Nice G10 with nice texturing. You've got some nice access to the lock bar that's made even better there. You've got a very nice grip, very neutral grip. That choil is kind of needed, so I think you use that. I think that's part of the allure of this grip. And you've got a great sharpening choil. So when I look at this little knife, I think I'm impressed. I am, as you guys know, not a bar lock fan. I'm not necessarily a budget knife fan anymore, but I still think that they hold a very important place because that's where I started collecting knives and where I got all my joy when I first started. And when I find a good one, I want to share it. And CJRB has always done a good job, in my opinion. And this little, what did we decide this thing was called? The Hectare. The Hectare J1935 Black is looks like a good little knife, guys. I will carry it. I will live with it. I will let you guys know what I think. We'll do some cutting, some living, some carrying, and then we'll come back. We'll compare it with some other knives. But I've got a feeling that this is going to be a good little knife. I'm a little bit impressed with it from just an unboxing, getting started standpoint. But guys, that's really all I've got today. I wanted to unbox this and share it with you. It was a Saturday mail call, so I figured I'd get it out there for you. And guys, all I ask is please, please, please look out for that guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. And remember, I love you all. Peace.